Hello children, in the previous video related to this scene, I made act for scene 1, that is also known as a court scene. I have already explained you that Duke, Shylock, Antonio and some other gentlemen, they are in the court. Duke has informed Shylock that everybody knows that Shylock is a cruel person and he always behaves very cruelly with all, especially with the Christians. And today they are expecting a gentle answer from the Jew, that is Shylock. Means today they are expecting that Shylock is going to behave differently, means he is going to show mercy on Antonio. But Shylock is saying, I have possessed your grace of what I purpose, and by your holy Sabbath have I sworn to have the due and forfeit of my bond. He is saying, I have informed your grace of what I intend to do. Means I have already informed you about my intention and my purpose. That is, to have the penalty as it is given in the agreement. He further says, by your holy Sabbath have I sworn. What is Holy Sabbath? Holy Sabbath means Sabbath is the seventh day of the Jewish week, that is known Saturday, and it is known as the holiest day. So he is saying, I have taken an oath of Holy Sabbath to have the due and forfeit of my vow, to have the due and penalty as it is mentioned in the agreement. What is the penalty? According to the agreement, if Antonio fails to pay the money on time, then Shylock will have the right to cut 1 pound flesh of Antonio's body. So right now, Shylock is demanding for that penalty. And Shylock also says to the Duke, if you deny it, if you deny it, if you refuse it, means if you are not interested to give it. What is it? Penalty and justice. Then let the danger light upon your charter and your city's freedom. Then what will happen? Let your charter and the freedom of your city be in danger. Then your charter, what is charter? Charter is the document by which Venice was given independence. Then your charter and freedom of your city be in danger. How the freedom of your city be in danger? Because according to the charter, every person who is living in Venice, whether the person belong to foreign or Venice person, all the person have the equal right and they must be given the justice without any partiality. So he is saying, if you deny me to give the justice, in that case, what will happen? Let your charter and freedom of your city be in danger. Next he is saying, you will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3000 ducats. You may ask me a question that right now why I demand, why I choose to have a weight of carrion flesh. Carrion means useless. Means why I need to have useless flesh rather than 3000 ducats. Because according to the people, 3000 ducats is a huge amount. And in front of 3000 ducats, a rotten flesh is nothing. Because a flesh of human cannot be utilized. It cannot be eaten, it cannot be sold. So it's a rotten, useless. I'll not answer that. Further, Shylock is saying, I do not want to answer that. For which I do not want to answer? Means I do not want to answer why I need the rotten flesh rather than 3000 ducats. But say it is my humor. But I would like to say only one thing, that it is my humor, it is my fancy, it is my desire, it is my liking. Is it answered? Means, does that answer your question? Means, is it the answer of your question? What if my house, and now to explain his own view, his own perspective, Shylock says, what if my house be troubled with a rat, and I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it banned? Suppose What if my house is troubled by a rat? Suppose if a rat is troubling my house, disturbing my house, and I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats, and I am interested, I am ready to give, to spend 10,000 ducats to have it banned, to have it poisoned. What is it means? Rat. To have the rat poisoned, to get the rat poisoned, then it's my liking. Means, in other words, he means to say, suppose in my house there is a rat, and that rat is disturbing my house. And to get that rat poisoned or banned, if I am spending 10,000 ducats, then there must not be anyone to put a finger on me, because the house is mine and the rat that is also in my house, and the money which I am spending, that is 10,000 ducats, that is also mine. So it's my own liking. What are you answered yet? Miss, did you get the answer of your question?